Boys, Dirtworks TV out here in the blizzard. Lake Tahoe.
It's a little deep. We're gonna...
Yeah, skinny boy.
We're gonna snowboard today, boys.
He's got to borrow my sister's jacket, though.
The baby blue. We're about to do some truck sledding.
Bro, we'll just hook it to this, dude.
Yeah, this thing?
Yeah, they got sleds.
Yeah, there's gotta be something.
This G-Wagon's harder. I love that color.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, but look at these things.
Ooh.
Look at that. It's like a little towel.
It's a good investment.
You gotta have something.
Bam.
Hold on.
Stop.
Start going.
So much snow. Out here, 2023. Lake Tahoe.
Hey, keep a nice steady pace.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up.
I run a landscape excavation company.
How much money have you made? Did you go to college to become a landscape excavator?
No, I did not.
Well, how'd you do it at 24?
I started a company when I was 16, cutting grass, and then, you know, just as you put in more work, the jobs get a little bit bigger, and you see what's profitable, and you move in that direction. So.
And how much in sales have you done as a bugs excavator?
Vlog.
Dude, you should meet Peter.
This thing is fucking... Where's all your sweat? Rustin's own sweat? Just a little bit?
Oh my god, you can do it.
Yes.
You guys are so proud.
Dog.
Such a sick video. What are we at the biggest snowball ever? Let's get it on YouTube. We might as well go for us back here. Hey guys. We're in the Batmobile saving the day. Yeah. Just this whip is there. Goat gang doing good deeds out here on the daily.